Hkdse Physics 218 question 3. So we have milk at 5 degrees mixed with a cup of tea at 25 degrees. So milk is cold object, tea is the hot object. So which of the statement below are correct? So we can neglect the capacity of the cup. So when we mix up hot object and cold object together, they would come up, mix together, and becomes an object of temperature T. Now, even without calculation, we would know that the final temperature will becomes a temperature between 5 degrees to 25 degrees. The exact value, of course, we need to calculate, but the final temperature must be between the cold object and hot object when you mix them. So if there is no heat change with the surroundings, no heat loss to surroundings, okay, heat loss equals heat gain, then think about that. Statement 1, the average kinetic energy of the water molecules in the tea, that is the hot object, will decrease. Now, talking about the tea, it goes from 25 degrees to a lower value. So the temperature of tea would decrease, which means the average Ke would also decrease because average Ke depends on the temperature. So the first statement is correct. Secondly, the average potential energy of the water molecules in the tea, okay, remains unchanged. Now, because average Pe depends on the state, as we can see here, the tea does not undergo the change of state. It changed from hot water or hot liquid to a cold liquid. So there is no change of state, so no change in average Pe. So this statement is also correct. So if there is no heat loss to the surroundings, we know that the energy that is released by the hot object would be equals to the energy gained by the cold object. So that's why the final statement is also correct. All three statements are correct, the answer.